Hi kids, are you ready for an adventure? Today I'm taking you on a magical journey into the heart of an enchanted forest. Imagine this, you and your friends are on a field trip exploring a nearby forest when you stumble upon something amazing, a hidden library among the trees. This isn't just any library though, it's a magical library filled with books that have the power to bring stories to life. As you open the first book, you begin to read aloud, and suddenly, the words on the pages start to glow. Whoosh! A friendly fox leaps out of the book, looking curious and playful. Excited, you and your friends read more stories, and each one brings another forest creature to life. But wait, not all the creatures are as friendly as the fox. A great big dragon swoops down from the treetops, breathing fire and causing chaos. The once peaceful forest is now filled with magical beings, some helpful and some not so much. Now here's where it gets tricky. The enchantment is causing all sorts of trouble. The dragon's fire has scared away the deer, the talking trees are arguing with each other, and the mischievous pixies are hiding everyone's stuff. You and your friends need to find a way to bring peace back to the forest before it's too late. How do you do it? By solving riddles, of course. The books in the library hold clues. You read a riddle aloud. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wind. What am I? That's right, it's an echo. Solving each riddle helps guide you on your quest. Together, you and your friends complete the tasks, like finding the dragon's lost treasure to make it happy again, or helping the talking trees find a common language to stop their bickering. Each challenge brings you closer to restoring balance in the enchanted forest. Finally, with the last riddle solved and the last task completed, the forest begins to calm down. The dragon returns to its slumber, the pixies stop their tricks, and the trees whisper their thanks. You place the books back on the shelves, and the magical creatures return to their stories. The forest is peaceful once more. You and your friends leave the magical library feeling proud and a little bit wiser. You've learned that stories have great power, and that with that power comes responsibility. Always treat nature and magic with respect. And remember, the greatest adventures can happen when you least expect them. Thanks for joining me on this enchanted adventure. Until next time, keep exploring and keep reading. Bye.